Do you or a loved one have low hand-eye coordination? Or does your little one struggle rolling up their mat in time? Well, I now present to you the mat roller. It's lightweight, child-friendly, and easy to use, with only the very fair price of $15.99. What do you think about the mat roller, miss?
The mat roller saves so much time for your little ones.
Well, you heard it here first. It saves so much time for your little ones. And what about you, little lady?
It's easy to roll up your mat and whack someone.
Well, okay. Well, it has a multi-purpose use. And what about you, ma'am?
It's much better using the mat roller and less tedious to roll it up yourself.
Well, you heard it here first. It's less tedious to roll it up yourselves. Call 1-800-234-5464. That's 1-800-234-5464. Or order online at any of your local websites like Amazon.com.